Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Hualien International Holding, the Hong Kong-based parent company of Pan-Caribbean Sugar, has sold 44,674 acres of land at the Bernard Lodge Sugar Factory in St. Catherine to AYD Construction Limited. In a report filed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and sourced by R Today, the land bought in 2013 was valued in 2024 at US $900 and reported to have no commercial value in relation to sugar production. That said, Pan-Caribbean has agreed to sell the land to AYD Construction Limited for US $2.55 million. AYD Construction Limited has been engaged in several activities in Jamaica since 2014 and was involved in the execution of public and private sector development projects. These include building bridges for the North-South Highway, construction of Kingston Wharves Limited Total Logistics Facility, Palmyra Luxury Beach Condo Hotel, New Kingston Business Center, One Belmont, and Fosrich's new warehouse. Co-owner of AYD Construction, Chris Zhu, said his intentions for the Bernard Lodge property is to build a factory and warehouse there. Investors can set their calendars for when to expect dividend income from listed companies. Productive Business Solutions Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for March 18, 2025 will consider dividend payments to the 9.25% and 10.5% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shares of the company. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for March 25, 2025 will consider a final dividend payment to shareholders of the company. Jamaica Stock Exchange Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for March 27, 2025 will consider a dividend payment to shareholders of the company. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for March 17, 2025 will consider an interim dividend payment to ordinary shareholders of the company. Corporate executives are buying and selling shares in their respective companies. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised of the following transactions. A connected party sold 149,482 Supreme Ventures shares on March 6, 2025, and then a director purchased 319,424 shares on March 10, 2025. A related entity sold 319,424 shares on March 10, 2025. JMB Group Limited has advised that the purchase of 133,251 JMB shares during the period of March 6 to March 7 under the company's share buyback program. NCB Financial Group Limited has advised that a connected party sold 1,312,198 NCB shares on March 7, 2025. For the trading period ending March 11, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 6,290,435 units traded, representing 21.2% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,028,984 units traded, representing 20.32% of market sales volume. Advertising agency and real estate holding firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,860,515 units traded, represented 6.27% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 11, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $57.24 million purchased and US $67.14 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.80 per dollar selling the US at $157.66 and buying the US at $155.86. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.79 per transactions, with selling at $108.86 and buying at $107.07. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.02 in profit, with selling at $204.20 and buying at $198.18. For our credit report tip of the day, divorce isn't the end, it's a fresh start. By rebuilding your credit, you position yourself to create sustainable wealth through multiple income streams. Here's how. Consider that business credit can help you to finance a reliable vehicle. A car with an affordable financing can help you run a mobile business, drive for ride-share services, or deliver goods. Alternatively, good credit can help you secure lease agreements for Airbnb or short-term rental opportunities. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.